A towering secretary bird has just secured a snake, but deep in the parched grass, a thief is closing in. Pressed low to the earth, moving with agonizing calculated stealth, is a serval. The cat hesitates, weighing the bird's size against the value of the prize. It launches a sudden raid, not to hunt the bird, but to steal its hard-won meal. The secretary bird reacts with instinctive aggression. It maintains its grip on the snake while deploying its primary defense. It spreads its 2-meter wingspan, creating a visual barrier to confuse the cat. The serval circles, looking for a lapse in the bird's concentration. It strikes out, testing the range of the bird's formidable legs. With a sudden, violent burst of speed, the serval lunges. It snatches the snake directly from the bird's beak. The cat bolts across the plains, attempting to outrun its avian rival. But this bird is a specialist of the open savanna. It pursues the cat, using its wings to gain ground. A series of precision kicks from the bird forces the serval to drop the snake. The stolen meal is abandoned, but the conflict has reached a point of no return. The immediate clash is now a battle of survival. The bird delivers rapid-fire kicks, each capable of delivering 15 kilograms of force in a fraction of a second. The serval absorbs a blow to its muzzle. Its ears pinned back in a defensive hitch. The serval counters, using its sharp, retractable claws to lash at the bird's unfeathered shins. The cat lunges, attempting to bite the bird's knee joint to disable its primary weapon. The serval rolls and recovers, its eyes locked on the bird's movements. Each animal is assessing the other's stamina and reach. The bird uses its wings for balance, creating a chaotic flurry of feathers to mask its next strike. It needs to neutralize the threat or risk a crippling injury. The bird beats its wings frantically, straining to keep its upright position. The serval takes a kick directly to the forehead, a hit that would stun most animals, but the cat is persistent. The bird's legs are protected by thick scales, an adaptation for hunting venomous reptiles. The bird immediately follows through with a downward stomp. The cat dodges, but the rhythm of the fight is exhausting both combatants. The serval changes tactics, closing the distance to negate the bird's kicking range. It is a high-stakes gamble. A single well-placed kick could shatter the cat's jaw. The serval lunges again, snapping at the bird's breast feathers. The fight has lasted for several minutes, an immense expenditure of metabolic energy. The serval lunges a third time, successfully grappling the bird's neck. The weight of the feline finally overcomes the bird's balance. The bird hits the ground, its wings splayed helplessly in the dirt. The serval maintains a crushing throat hold, a standard feline killing technique. The bird's struggles weaken as oxygen is cut off. In the harsh reality of the African bush, the thief has become the executioner. As the serval begins to scavenge the carcass, a second secretary bird emerges from the distance. Secretary birds form lifelong pair bonds and often hunt within sight of one another. It strikes the serval with the full force of its momentum. The serval, already depleted of energy and shocked by the intervention, snarls and withdraws. The bird does not let up, delivering a succession of rapid kicks to the cat's flanks. These birds are known for their territorial loyalty. And will defend their mate against much larger predators. The serval, recognizing the risk of further injury, turns and flees into the brush. It returns to the body of its mate. It stands a silent vigil, looking down at the fallen bird. It will remain here for some time, protecting the remains from others.